Ahoy, my fellow scavenger hunters! Do we have something interesting to tell you what's happening in the month of November?
Let's have a look what's inside my treasure chest.
We would like to invite you all to join us in our very first Milkwood Scavenger Hunt. We are going to be hunting for all the Milkwood families. The scavenger hunt will run from the 2nd of November to the 26th of November. Come on, first mate, tell them about it.
Right on. Each week, there will be hidden clues around the school.
Hey, but. You didn't tell them they need to wait for their teacher to tell them about the clues? What about the code?
I'm getting there. Hold on. So as I was saying, each week there will be a hidden value around the school with this sticker. And on this sticker is a code, just like a password. And don't forget to take a paper and a pen so that you can write this code down, because we will give you a link. And when you click on the link, you need to type that code in, and the hidden value will appear.
But in a scavenger hunt, there's supposed to be prizes. Gold! Jewels!
Yes, but for Milkwood's Value Scavenger Hunt, there will be lucky draw prizes. And we would just like to say a big thank you to all our sponsors for sponsoring these prizes. Happy hunting!
Good morning, boys and girls. The grade 2s are very excited to bring you the first clues of our Milkwood Value Scavenger Hunt. So listen carefully, look carefully, good luck and have fun.
If you are late, you're gonna come through this gate. If you are searching for this clue, look up at the top of the school.
Yes.
I'm done with my work, ma'am.
My sweetheart, you are a superstar.
Thank you, ma'am. I tried my best.
You deserve a sticker for this beautiful work.
Happy hunting!